Hi, Mark T. the Handyman here. Today we're going to do an oil change on my Toro recycler with the Smart Stow feature. So it's not a must, but it's not a bad idea to heat the oil up just a little bit so it will flow a little bit easier when you're draining it. So we're going to run it for maybe a minute at the most. So before we get started, we're going to disconnect the spark plug so that we don't accidentally start the machine while we're working on it. Also, I've already drained the gasoline from the gas tank just because we're going to be tipping the machine over. We don't want to spill any gas on the floor. So on this particular Toro lawnmower, they do not have a drain plug on the bottom of the engine. So what they recommend is you take your dipstick out, and in this particular case we're going to put it there, and we don't want to get that dirty, and tip the lawnmower on its side to get the oil out. Whenever you tip a lawnmower over, you always want to have the air filter, which is where the carburetor is behind that, and the gasoline up on top. So we're going to dip this carefully and hopefully try not to make a mess. I do have some cardboard just in case, and we're going to dip that. And we're going to let that drain for a couple of minutes until it runs out of oil. And we'll let that drip there for a couple of minutes. As you can see, we're pretty much done with all our drainage. So we're going to tip the lawnmower back on its four wheels. And it doesn't look like we made a very big mess there, so that's good. And they recommend you change the oil at least once a year, depending on how many hours that you use the lawnmower. But once a year is pretty much a standard. So now we're going to get our new oil and we're going to fill the tank up. So here's our old oil right there. And what we're going to do now is we're going to put a funnel in our inlet right there, and we're going to take this oil, brand new oil. It calls for 20 ounces, but probably won't need it because you don't always get all the oil out. So we're going to pour that in there till we empty this out, or come close to emptying it. And then we're going to check the level, and then we'll see if we need more, we'll add more. There we go. Like I said, there was slightly less than 20 ounces in there, and it calls for 20 ounces. And we're going to wipe this off. You don't want to get any dirt into that oil. Take that out. Put that in there. And we'll check our level. Let that settle in for a little bit. And our level is right where it needs to be. We'll check it again, but it's right at the mark when it needs to be. And we'll check it again, let it settle for a little bit. So we added the oil and it's settling down. We did check the level, and now we're going to run the mower just for a little bit so we can maybe get some of that oil circulating, and then we'll check the oil level again. Okay, so we ran a lawnmower. Now it's time to check the oil on this. Let's see. And it looks pretty good. So we changed the oil on our lawnmower. Now we're ready for the summer. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you would, please comment on the video. I sure would like to hear from you. Thanks for watching.